Skin flare up people, hear me out. This is a product called My Magic Healer Universal Flare Care. And I know that it might sound silly, but this one uses all natural ingredients, okay? It allows your skin to breathe while it's in the healing process. Super important. You want to make sure that you're not covering it up with a thick petroleum-based healing ointment. This one doesn't do that at all. So like for instance, it's a little bit thicker, can be used on babies, adults, elderly. Check this out. And like I said, it's all natural ingredients. It goes on clear. It really doesn't have a scent other than, you know, like you can pick up on the olive oil scent, but nothing offensive, super nourishing, super great product. I think you guys are gonna like this one and be impressed with it. So definitely check this out on the market.